Everybody, subscribe to this dude. I swear, everyone needs to subscribe. Everybody needs to subscribe, I promise you. What?
All right, what's up, guys? Today, I'm actually heading back to somewhere I was yesterday, Thornton Gravel Lakes. Kind of urban, I don't know, kind of in the middle of Denver, but want to do some fly fishing. Had a blast yesterday. Come to find out it was stocked like 2 days ago. So, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. And got a chest mount, so I'm gonna do some POV fly fishing for you, and hope you enjoy. See how we do today. Right, first one. What? Appreciate it. I'm just using two little nymphs, man. Yeah. No indicator, so it doesn't freak them out too much. I just tossed one little zebra nymph on there.
I'm trying, but I don't know.
Nice. Yeah, I don't know if I had any recommendations. Just don't overwork them, you know? Let it sit a little bit, let it twitch. Chill. Oh shit, you're back. What's up?
What's up, bro?
Had to come back after yesterday or what?
Came back before too?
Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. Still all smaller than I'd like. I might do what I did yesterday and just go back over there, try and get back on some of the bigger ones, because I think they like the deeper water over there. I'm gonna sneak right by. Actually, you wanna do me a solid? Would you mind reeling that rod in for me?
Like, reeling it all the way in?
Oh, there we go. Never mind, he got off. Perfect. And I think one just hit that one, actually.
I was gonna ask if I can reel it in.
Oh. It's fun fishing from up there because you can see where they're all at. I will say though, if you guys are baiting up, you're fine. I just don't want to hook y'all.
Just put your fly bait in the water. No. Just throw it in the elevator that Are you recording on your chest?
Yeah.
See, I'm on it.
Well, we get long enough or I have to make it longer. I need help. Help?
Yep.
I'm sorry to ask, but can you help? This.
What are you doing?
Like the.
All right. So this, what you got on here? Are you putting a lure on or something, or?
Like power bait.
Okay. I mean, in general, I would use this for like lures, right? So if you
Alright.
if you were tossing something else on there,
Like I'll use a lure.
dude, want to catch something? Putting that on there.
I want it. Can I use it?
Where's the other one I had? Just
Yeah, that's what we needed. Wait, can I get that fly real quick?
But
What did I have on?
in general, like this is more so for swapping like lures, right? So if you had something else on, you could swap them pretty quick. He's coming this way. Oh, I wonder if that's him. All right, I'll help you out in a sec. Sorry. Oh, it's not him though. No, it's not the big one. Oh, just. Yeah! Dude, that's your first fish too? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, net it so it doesn't get out.
Get it.
There you go. Dude.
Gabe just caught a fish.
Oh yeah, I still got a fish. Here, can you just hold this real quick?
I'll hold it. I got you.
So you gotta hold the string. You're holding everything.
Yo, that's my favorite fish. I saw you chasing
All right, let's get him back in the water.
Cause he's gonna.
Dude, you want a picture with it though?
I'm not touching it.
You're not touching it?
Get a picture, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I'll take
You're touching
I am
it.
not
You're
touching
touching it, dog. You go fishing, you're touching fish.
I'm not touching it.
That's your fish, bro.
I'm not touching it.
You gotta. Yeah,
Wait,
yeah, man.
Can I hold it and you can take a picture?
Dude, I'm gonna get him in the water
In the water,
because we don't want him to die, right?
this one actually wins.
I told you. All right, see it? Once they swim away strong, that's when you want to let them go.
Going fishing, you gotta grab your fish, dog.
You're doing great. Here, all right.
I got reeled in there.
All right, so keep reeling. Keep reeling. All right, so now what I want you to do, pull your tip closer to me. So you want to slowly bring, not too much. Yep, there you go. Boom, yeah, bro, you got him. Will you hold him?
Yeah.
You want to hold him? Boom, Andy just spit the fly, look at that. All right, hold him real quick, get a picture, and then he's slippery though.
Don't hold him too tight either.
Yep. And then, yep, you're doing perfect.